morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say welcome to Jakarta. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Vinesia Chandra and you can call me Vines. I will be your tour guide today. It is my pleasure can accompany you guys. So, if you have a question or request, just raise your hand so I can answer your question and help with your request. Ladies and gentlemen, before we start, I would like to inform you that our program for today is visiting Fathahillah Museum. It's also known as Jakarta History Museum now. Let the tour begin. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Fathahillah Museum, has the officially name of Jakarta History Museum. It's located on Fathahillah Street, number 1, Pinang Sia Village, Taman Sari District, West Jakarta, Indonesia. This museum is the biggest museum in the Jakarta Autumn, and now I will explain to you history of Fathahillah Museum. This building is Batavia City, built on 77 by the Command of the Netherlands scuba diver General John van Horn, and was inaugurated in 1710 by the command of the Netherlands Governor General Abraham van Rietvee. It was initially used as a town hall and also court for justice that has 5 dungeons under the building to detain people who commit criminal and political felony on March 30, 1974. This building was inaugurated as Jakarta History Museum by Governor DKI Jakarta, Mr. Ali Sadikin. That's the story of Jakarta History Museum. The architecture of the building is neoclassical style with 3 floors with yellow earth, pan door and window frame made of dark green teak wood. This museum holds 23,500 collection of historical items both in the form of original and replicas. The collection on display are more than 500 pieces. Of the rest area stored in storage, the age of the collection has reached more than 100,000 years, especially the collection of prehistoric living tools. Fathahillah Museum is divided into the 3 floors. The first room is Moral Room. On the wall, there is a very large painting. This painting is not a relic of the Dark Era, but this painting holds its own history. This is the Tarumanegara Room. In this room, we can see relics from the Tarumanegara period, which show the times of the influence of Hinduism and Buddhism from India. In this room, there are inscriptions, namely the monument inscription and the Sheraton inscription, which has the soul of Mulawar Marfid from the Tarumanegara Kingdom. Now, we are in the second floor. On this floor, we are treated to several collections of that relics such as furniture, painting, ceramics, money, and others. In there are also stories about the Betawi people, Dutch history, and the history of the Fathahillah Museum. After walking around the museum, we went to the backyard of the Fathahillah Museum. Here is a dungeon. Here at least there are about 5 narrow and very stubby rooms and have been equipped with iron pendulums that used to be used as shackle from the prisoner at the time. The dungeon has been around from 300 years. This prison was once used to house dead prisoner many even in this dungeon. This dungeon was once used to capture several national heroes such as Prince Diponegoro, Puntung Suropati, and Cuknyadin. In the backyard of Fathahillah Museum, there is a statue of the god Hermes, of the patron god, and the god of luck for trader. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all about our program for today. I hope everyone enjoyed the tour with our service and learned a lot from our tour today. I would like to say thank you very much to have our traveler in your trip. See you in the next trip and God bless you all.